Hi guys, welcome to my first ever staycation mini vlog here at Rosewood Abu Dhabi in United Arab Emirates. Rosewood Abu Dhabi is located at Al Marja Islands in Abu Dhabi. Actually guys, it's already my 5th time staying in this luxury hotel. Medyo pricey siya pero afford naman.
Wow.
Hindi, joke lang. Truth is, this is our benefit from our company because I am working actually at pero bago ko kayo i-room tour, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea kung magkano ang one night room stay here at Rosewood Abu Dhabi. And for the room prices, it starts at 2,000 up to 24,000 dirhams.
Wow!
So for me, ito lagi ang kinukuha ko, ang deluxe room, twin beds. And it's 2,301 dirhams per night. At kung i-convert nyo naman ito sa peso, it is 35,500 pesos. And guys, one night pa lang yan. And for the most expensive room, that is Royal 2 Suites, that cost you around 24,000 dirhams or 371,000 pesos per night. And that's how luxurious this hotel is.
Wow.
So ngayon, i-room tour ko na kayo. By the way guys, during this time, sobrang napaka-strict ng Rosewood pagdating sa sanitation. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, meron pang sticker na nakadikit sa pintuan. In this video, hindi ito yung una kong check-in dito sa hotel. This was already my second time. So this is the hallway, and as you can see, makikita nyo na yung minibar. And there you go guys, the twin beds. And also digital na lahat dito. Which means pwede nang i-operate ng iPad ang lahat ng nandito. Gaya ng pagbubukas ng ilaw, pagbubukas ng kurtina, at ng TV. At ang view ko naman dito sa aking room is ang Cleveland Hospital. By the way guys, katabi din namin ang Galleria Mall. At interconnected na ang hotel na to from Cleveland Hospital at Galleria Mall. Isa din sa madalas gawin ko dito is ang pag-hot tub. And now, itutur ko kayo sa kanilang swimming pool. Unlike sa swimming pool namin dito sa hotel namin, mas malaki ang swimming pool ng Rosewood Abu Dhabi. Dito din sa floor na to, makikita ang kanilang restaurant for breakfast, which means pwede kang kumain dito sa swimming pool area, and at night naman, isa naman itong lounge. At mula dito sa kinatatayuan ko, makikita ninyo ang city view at iba pang mga skyscraper dito sa Al Marja Island. By the way guys, reclaim lang ang Al Marja Island. Looking back 12 years ago, that is 2011, nung una akong napadpad sa Abu Dhabi, ginagawa pa lang yung island na to. And today, makikita nyo naman marami ng mga buildings dito sa island na to. When it comes to service naman, surely Rosewood will not let you down. Sobrang maalaga ng kanilang mga staff and everything here is possible. Isa ito sa pinakamagandang traits ng Rosewood Hotel kasi you can never say no to a guest kasi lahat ng guests ng Rosewood, they treat them as VIP. Kahit pa nasa standard room ka lang or naka-complimentary stay ka lang. Sa sobrang laki ng swimming pool nila, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron silang pool lift chair para sa mga disabled. Meron din silang swimming pool truck para sa mga guests nilang mga atleta. Pero for me na naka-staycation lang, eto, kung napapansin ninyo, nagsiswimming lang ako para magpa-video at magpa-picture para ma-post sa Facebook. But honestly, nakaka-relax talaga pag nag-staycation. So other than traveling, isa din to sa madalas kong gawin ang pag-staycation. Sa tuwing nandito ako sa Rosewood Abu Dhabi, hindi na ako pumupunta ng city kasi katabi na lang nito ang Galleria Mall at ang bilihan ng alak na Spinneys. As I mentioned a while ago, interconnected ito at isang sakay mo lang ng elevator, nandun ka na sa floor connecting to either Galleria Mall or to the hospital. Ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo guys and thanks for watching!